Hi, I'm Jazz. I study finance and accounting,
Hi, I'm Ruby and I study law and commerce.
and we're here at the Griffith Business School.
I think when you study your degree, everything's very theoretical. So when you actually get your hands on a finance terminal and you start to see all the tickers for the first time, it just changes your whole perspective on where your career is going to take you. So let's go take a look at the trading rooms.
One of the important activities of our trading rooms is our Student Investment Fund. This is a course that students can take where they are given actual money to invest with. The important part of this program is that students invest in companies that are socially responsible. And also when they make a profit, the money goes into a scholarship fund to help future generations of students.
Why did I pick Griffith? The flexibility. I felt really supported throughout my degree, my lecturers, my classmates. It was a great experience.